Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to add subtitles to a video using Capcut AI. First, you need to open your browser. As soon as you have it open, you'll need to go to a specific website. You'll find the link to this website in the description below. Once you land on this website, you'll see an option for download. If you move your cursor over it, you'll see another option on the left side that reads Download for Windows or Mac. You can download it to any folder of your choice. If you prefer to use it manually, you can just open Capcut. Once you click on it, a new tab will open. Once you're inside, click on the Upload button. Here, you can select the video to which you want to add subtitles. I've already uploaded a video. You can simply drag and drop your video here. Once it's uploaded, let's see how we can add subtitles. You'll find an option called Caption below. Click on it. Here, you can select your preferred language. I want to add English subtitles, and it's already selected by default. Click on Generate. It will start working, and within 2 to 3 minutes, it will generate all the subtitles for your video. Once it's generated, you will see it on your screen, showing that it's ready. If you want to change the design of your subtitles, click on your subtitles, and options for design will appear. You can select any design you like. If you want to keep it the same, close it. Now, let's play the video to check if the subtitles are added correctly.
I had some tantrums of saying, I can't do this,
If you're satisfied with the results, you can export the video. To export, you will see the Export option at the top. Click on it, and a new format will open. You'll have many options there, such as file name, resolution, quality, and frame rate. Adjust them according to your preference and click Export. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to export. Once it's done, you can download it to your laptop. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like it.